How to fix Roblox error code 2. So the first thing that you need to do, tap the Windows key and R at the same time and go to %local app data %. Just click OK and make sure that you find the temporary folder. It's the letter T, it's right here. Here you go, temp, click that and then find the Roblox folder from here. Here it is. So you just right click this and delete it. You basically deleted the cache now. So try opening up Roblox again and it should work. Now if it doesn't work, go to your browser and type in is Roblox down. And here, as you can see, the first one, Roblox status. As you can see, all of the servers are operational. So that means that there's nothing wrong on their end. However, if it says that there's something wrong, that Roblox is down, then there is nothing that you can do about it. You can just wait until they fix their internal problem or something. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.